Hello everyone. We already have a powerful feature on the TeleSMM web app that many people still don't know about: recurring orders. This feature helps you automatically place orders on the same Telegram channel daily without doing it manually every time. You can also edit, pause, or cancel your recurring orders anytime you want. Currently, this feature is available for Telegram members' services only. So let's see how to use it. Open Telegram and search for TeleSMM Services Bot. 1. Tap on /start to begin. 2. Click on App. 3. Scroll down, select the category, and tap on Telegram members. 4. Choose your preferred service: 30 days, 90 days, or any other option according to your needs. 5. Add your channel link. 6. Select the quantity. 7. Toggle on Create Recurring Order. 8. Set the minimum and maximum quantity. 9. Add the run order count and interval. 10. You can also add an expiry date and time, optional. 11. Finally, tap on Place Recurring Order. And done. Your recurring order has been placed successfully. Now, if you want to edit your recurring order anytime: 1. Go to More. 2. Tap on Recurring Orders. 3. Select your order. Here, you can edit, pause, or cancel the order anytime. To edit: 4. Tap on the edit pen icon. 5. Change the minimum quantity, maximum quantity, interval, or total runs. Then tap on Save Changes. And that's it. Simple and convenient. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.